my cell phone died before I took the car out for a few minutes earlier. So I just got back home, went upstairs, got my cell phone here off the charger, and I said, let me make this small clip before pulling it all the way back into the garage. But so far, so good. Everything is great. God is great. Life is great. A few more minutes and I'm gonna get the heck out of here and head home. I just like the way it sounds. This video clip is basically for me. So when I want to hear the sound, I can hear the sound. Dan Smith, D&S Performance in New Jersey, Camden, New Jersey. Thank you very much again, Mr. Dan Smith. Thank you, Tyrone Taylor, Turbo 400 tranny, built. Tyrone Taylor Transmissions in Brooklyn, downtown Brooklyn, New York. Mr. Jim Weise, 9.5-inch torque converter, fixed pitch, 3,000 to 3,200 stall. He said that's the converter I needed for this motor since day one. 3,000 to 3,200 stall. Especially for the cam I have, he said. Lifetime guarantee torque converter. Mr. Jim Weisman. Just pause for a moment. Gonna be Mako. Look at these Brian Weaver, GBodyParts.com. The best G-Body Buick body fillers on the planet, in my opinion. The best. Even with this accident where the lady dented the side front of my car a few years ago, this thing basically lined up regardless of that. Except for this last part of the clip, which obviously is the bumper needs to come out about ½ an inch. That's all. That's why I said Mako is going to take care of that. I never went to AutoZone a few weeks ago to get that replacement headlight, but that's for the bright light high beam only. Car rides strong, it pulls hard. I really like the combination. But anyway, I didn't notice that light until now, honest to God. It was like that for about 2 hours. Well, today for about 2 hours. Anyway, I'm gonna end this clip. Right now it says, what, 5 minutes, 31 seconds. I'm gonna end this clip at 6 minutes. Touch this up. Also, I need to touch this steering wheel back up with fresh paint. That was from fuel and tranny fluid, motor oil, you know. Oh man, so far so good, thank God. Right now, as you can see, I'm using TA Performance mechanical pump, not my electric fuel pump. 6 pounds of fuel. No drips, no nips, no naps. And thanks again, Ralph the King, Ralph's Auto Center, Williamsburg, Brooklyn, New York. Thank you, Ralph, man. Straight up and down. I'll stop by to see you one day soon. Bring you a small gift. I appreciate you, Ralph. Thanks again. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your subscriptions. Have a great holiday.